mango, this is extra. Lettuce, I need cabbage, I need extra. Pressure, had to hang up this bitch extra. Pressure.
A voiceover? Yes, girl, a voiceover. It's been like forever. But anyway, let's get into the hair because this hair is freaking fire, y'all. Freaking fire. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you for the love. Speaking of love, Love Me is sponsoring today's video, so let's get into it. What's in the box? Because we love the gifts when we spend our money, right? So in the box came a brush slash comb for your baby hairs, a Love Me pocket mirror or wallet mirror for on the go, and then they also gifted me a meltdown hair scarf thing. I don't even know what you call these, but yeah. And of course it comes with instructions on how to care for your hair and the refund policy on the back as well. Straight to it, right into the bag, period, because the main event is here. Look at them curls, girl. Look at them curls. It's only gonna get better from here, trust me. It's only gonna get better. All right, so let's get into the hair itself. So it's black. It has like streaks of brown in it, like the curls, and then it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back for security, as well as the elastic band in the back to keep it tight on your head. And then the wig itself comes with the elastic band that you could adjust in the back according to your head size. My head is pretty small, as you can clearly see. All right, let's get this wig on my head because I was thirsty as ever to see what it was looking like, what it was giving. So here we are. Ooh, look it. Okay, I could work with this. I could work with it, period. All right, let's secure it because we don't want the wig flying off because it's not going to get glued down or nothing. So we're just going to make sure that it's secure from within. Okay, it's giving. I see what I could work with. All right, so what I'm gonna do is show you guys that this wig is super secure once you have it on. Once you like adjust all the combs and stuff, look at yank. It's not budging, girl. Nope. I'm gonna try to whip my head for y'all, but look, it was messing up my lashes. I couldn't do it. But trust me, when I say it wasn't going nowhere, it wasn't going nowhere. You saw all the combs, you saw the elastic band, and you saw the adjustable straps. This wig is gonna last on your head, girl. It's not moving. Okay, so all I did was cut the pieces that were like in my eye, and now I'm gonna just spray some water to get the curls back active and get the volume going, because you know we like the big poofy curls. We like the, you know, the volume when we got the curly hair in our heads, period. So let me tell you really fast, because this hair is perfect for the summertime. You don't want to put no heat on your hair. You don't want no glue on your forehead. This is the go-to wig, girl. Real quick and fast, and it's cute, period. Look it. It's giving cute, bouncy, and curly, okay? Non-damaging to your natural hair, and it's super fast to install. The wig for me, girl. The wig for me.